everyone, it's Ann here from AnnMakes. Today I have a new to me product unboxing. Excuse the cat. I was approached by this company called Newcraftday asking if I would like some products in exchange for some videos, and I said, well, let me see what you have on your site. And I checked on their site, and I saw a few things that were interesting to me, and I said sure. And so let's see what they sent me. I hope, okay, yeah, this is what I thought would be interesting. This, okay, I cannot read this. Sealed wax electric furnace. Okay, I saw this and I thought, oh, I have got to try this. So let's see. It's a cute box. It's such a cute box. I don't know if you can see the pictures, but they're like cat paws. And if you know me, I love cats. Anything having to do with cats. So let's see. And it's pink. It's pink. It's great. It's pink. So it's a little wax melting furnace in the shape of a cat paw. Check this out. Oh, with the spoon and pink, and it's in pink. It's a little cat paw. A kitty paw. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? OMG. So I know I've never done a video on making wax seals, and I also know that it's very trendy right now to make wax seals. And when the company approached me and I saw this as one of their products, I was like, oh, I have got to try this out. I did not know that there was such a thing as a wax melt furnace, and why not? It's great. So instead of having a little candle burning and melting the wax over a candle, you could use this. And in my case, this seems like a much safer option because as you saw right away, my cat is always here. So I think this will be safer with my cats. I hope this works. So with this little furnace, look how the box is cute. It's so cute. They sent me some wax melts, and I chose the color. Yeah, so there's these different colors of wax melts, and in this package, and the links for these products will be in the description. So if you're interested in finding the same stuff, so I got these pearly white, this glorious green. It's like the color of my cat's eyes. It's perfect. And gray and black. So I don't know if you can guess where I'm going with this, what my idea was for this color. Oh, and then there's this. Oh, look at that. And they even send a plug. Oh, it's a travel adapter plug. Oh, look at that. Well, I don't need it. The plug, this should, oh no, okay. Oh, okay. I guess. What? Does it go in here? And they sent me an adapter. So this, I don't know if this will work in my plug. I have got to try it. Okay, I'm a little confused about this here, but we'll try it. And this, drum roll, please. Sorry. Oh my god, I can't open the bag. Is a seal in the shape of a kitty cat. It's a little kitty cat, and it looks like a fluffy cat like mine. It looks, oh, it's so cute. I'm sure you can't really see it. It's so cute. So I do have some handles. So this is what came in my order, just the seal itself, because it's a pretty special one. It's the kitty. So the idea is that I'm going to try to make some wax seals with kitty cats. So I'm just concerned that this will work here in our outlets. Oh, I hope it works. This looks really, really cute. So, oh my gosh, we're gonna plug this puppy in. Well, not puppy, kitty. Oh, let's see. Oh, it turns on. Okay, I plugged it in the wall outlet. It turned on. I don't know what these buttons. Oh, I guess that's an on-off button. There. Oh, okay. And let's see if it's gonna get warm. I'm just gonna try it with some water at first, just to because I don't want to melt some wax that I'm not going to use right away. So I'm just going to put some water in here. See what happens. Seems to be getting warm. Oh yeah, this is getting warm. It heats up pretty fast. So this is warm. This is warming up. How cool is that? Oh, that's hot. So it's to melt the wax for our little wax seals. Oh, this is adorable. Adorable. So if you have any interest in ordering from Newcraftday, there is a discount code available, and that also will be in the description below, and I'm going to put it on the screen here. Makes 10 is the code, and just let me double, yeah, makes 10. Oh, and I will try to make some of these little kitty seals in a little bit and show that to you. So yeah, so thank you so much, Newcraftday, for sending me these products. This little cat paw furnace is adorable, absolutely adorable. I love that it has a button to turn it off, and it's heating up very fast, people. There's no doubt about it that this works. Oh, it's sizzling now. So let me just, okay, I just wanted to test it with water first. Okay. Oh, it's warm. It's warm. It's melting. So let's see. Let's put a little black one, little black wax melt in here, and see how long it takes to melt. I like this better than a candle. I have to say that to me this feels safer in the studio with my kitties. It's controlled. I don't see my cats being able to, like my concern was that my cats would knock over the candle and cause a fire. So I think with this it's much safer. I won't have to worry about bringing in the fire extinguisher, although I do have a fire extinguisher. But oh, it's melting. It's melting very quickly. Yep, it's working, people. It is working very well. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm really impressed with this little wax melting furnace, and I can't wait to try the kitty cat stamp to make some seals. And the wax is melting very nicely. And yeah, I plugged it into a regular wall outlet. No problem. It's working. as I mentioned earlier, I did make a few wax seals with my kitty stamp, and I'm just gonna show you how I did that. I just take some of the melted wax and I pour it onto a silicone mat that I already had, and I try to pour the wax into a circle shape there, and I stamped with my new stamp from Newcraftday, and I got a cat out of it. So I actually made two cat seal stamps, and they turned out pretty cute, I think. So if you like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, every time you watch one of my videos, it's really helpful in the YouTube algorithm, so I really appreciate it. So again, if you are interested in any of the products that Newcraftday sells, please go check out their website, and don't forget the discount code. So until next time, thanks for watching and stay crafty. Bye.